Let's take a look at the Create Signage tab. This is where the signage that you want to show will be organized. This could be slides that you created in Canva, imported PowerPoint files, and much more. We'll walk through each of those later. Every signage instance that you set up needs to have a name. It is helpful to make it recognizable since you will need to reference it later for editing or cancellation purposes. There are many different Signage Plus layouts to choose from, including different widgets and scrolling messages. You can see here each of the different zones that are available. 1, 2, 3, or 4 zones can lay out the signage to your preference. The current widgets available are Clock, Calendar, and Weather. The Clock widget allows you to select an analog or digital clock and to set it to either 12 or 24-hour format. You will need to select the time zone for your region, as it does not automatically detect that. Once you've selected your time zone and your format, click Add Widget and you will see the preview there. The Calendar widget will also need to have a time zone set just for a generic daily calendar, but the widget also allows you to paste in a URL for a calendar that your organization has published through Outlook. Specific instructions on publishing a calendar may vary. The ticker message allows you to input 7 different scrolling messages that will follow after one another, like a chyron at the bottom of your signage screen. You can also come back and edit and delete messages as needed. Finally, the main signage content is where you will add a playlist that you have previously created. That is covered in another video, but here you will see how you add it to Signage Plus and then get ready to save it as a draft or schedule it to get things up and running. Once you have your layout and content set, this screen allows you to watch a full preview of all of your content. Before saving or scheduling, you can always click on the Replace buttons to make changes. See our other videos for additional information on using Signage Plus by ScreenBeam.